Hello students, today we are learn about the salt. We already discussed about the acid and base in previous lecture. Now salt. Suppose example NaCl, NaOH. NaCl it is example of NaCl it is example of salt. It is a neutralization reaction when NaOH react with HCl. NaOH it is a base, with HCl it is acid, it gives salt plus water. It is a neutralization reaction. In this neutralization, formation of NaCl, it is a salt. Now formation of salt by the compound partial and total displacement of the ionizable hydrogen. Suppose in example, suppose NaOH with react with sulfuric acid. In sulfuric acid, it produces H plus ion. In the aqueous solution, NaOH it is a base and H2SO4 it is a acid. Means partial replacements, this H2SO4 giving only one hydrogen, then it formation of sodium hydrogen sulfate and plus water. This is a partial displacement of hydrogen to form a salt. This name sodium hydrogen sulfate by metallic elements like sodium. Suppose it is a depend upon the condition. Next, total displacement. Suppose 2 times NaOH react with sulfuric acid. It is a complete displacement. Then it form 2 times Na2SO4 plus water 2 times. Formation of salt plus water. Base react with acid to give salt plus water. It is a neutralization reaction. There are two types. First one is partial replacement. Second one is complete replacement. This is a partial example of partial replacement, and this is example of complete replacement. And formation of salt plus water when acid react with base. Salt it is a highly soluble in water. जब हम लोग वाटर में सॉल्ट डालेंगे इट प्रोड्यूस आयंस. when NaCl dissolve in water it produce Na plus ion and Cl minus ion. It does not produce NaOH plus HCl. It produce Na plus ion and Cl minus ion. Na it is a positive charge and Cl it is a negative charge. Also like KCl also dissolve in water it produce K plus ion and Cl minus ion. Same like. So when salt dissolve in water it produce ion. Then it is a good conductor of heat and electricity. There are total classification of salt, total 6 types. First one is normal salt. Second one is acid salt. Third one is basic salt. Fourth one is double salt. Fifth one is mixed salt. And sixth one is complex salt. Now we discuss about normal salt, acid salt, basic salt, then mixed salt and double salt. Now first one is normal salt. In normal salt, complete displacement of the ionization hydrogen atom of acid by a metallic or ammonium ion. Suppose NaOH with HCl. In that Na is positive, OH is negative, hydrogen is positive and Cl is negative. This positive with attached with negative it form NaCl and H with OH, formation of water. This is an example of normal salt. This normal salt formed by complete displacement of the ionizable hydrogen atom by acid with by a metallic or ammonium ion, then it is known as a normal salt. NaCl, it is example of normal salt. Second one example, when NaOH react with H2SO4, we already discussed this example. NaOH plus H2SO4, it also produce salt Na2SO4, sodium valency plus 1, SO4 minus 2. Therefore, Na use as a Na 2 times, therefore Na2SO4 and water byproduct. In sulfuric acid, H plus ion and SO4 minus 2. It is example of normal salt, in that also produce salt plus water when acid react with base. NaOH, it is a strong base, sulfuric acid it is a strong acid, then it gives salt plus water. Next one is acid salt. This acid salt formed by the partial displacement of the ionization hydrogen atom of the polybasic acid. So what polybasic means, there are two OH group in sulfuric acid, means two hydronium ion form, therefore it is example of polybasic acid. It react with NaOH, then it produce NaHSO4 as a salt. This is a acid salt and byproduct water. In this, it is a partial replacement of the H plus ion or hydronium ion, H plus ion, then it is an example of acid salt. Same like another example, the name of the sodium hydrogen sulfate, in the name of NaHSO4, it is a sodium hydrogen sulfate. Same kind of another example we also discuss. Suppose ammonium hydroxide, it is a weak base, it react with hydrochloric acid, it is a strong acid, then it gives ammonium chloride. It is a salt of strong acid. It is a strong salt of strong acid. It is a acid salt formation, ammonium chloride plus water. Weak acid react with weak base react with strong acid to give acid salt. It is also neutralization reaction, in that formation of salt plus water. Next one is basic salt. In basic salt, there are partial replacement of the hydroxyl group, only partial replacement. Suppose diacidic base having two OH group, then it transfer only one OH group. Example, MgOH twice, there are two OH group, it transfer only one OH group, then it gives MgOHCl and byproduct H2O. Then this is called as partial replacement of the hydroxyl group in 2 or 3 acidic base, then to give a product. This is known as a basic salt. This is known as a basic salt plus water. Same kind of another example, जो प्रोडक्ट मिला हम लोगों को उसको बोलते हैं हाइड्रोक्सी मैग्नीशियम क्लोराइड. Same kind of another example, we use as a magnesium hydroxide, instead of we are using lead hydroxide, then we get the product of PbOHCl. We get the product PbOHCl. It transfer only one OH group, means partial replacement of the hydroxyl group of 2 or 3 acidic base. This is a basic salt. Next, double salt. In double salt, there are two simple salt. There are two union of two simple salt. Example, potash alum. It is example of double salt. They are dissolved or soluble in water and crystallize. Example, potash alum. This is example of potash alum. In potash alum, formula K2SO4, Al2SO4 thrice and 24H2O. So then You know about the potash alum formula. It is an example of double salt. When dissolved in water, it produces K plus ion, Al plus 3 ion, SO4 minus 2 ions. It is an example of double salt. It is a mixture of two salt, common salt, normal salt. Next example, Mohol salt. In Mohol salt having ferrous sulfate and ammonium sulfate, FeSO4, ammonium sulfate, NH4 twice SO4 and 6.6H2O. It is example of Mohol salt. It is also example of double salt. They are an example. And dolomite ore. In dolomite having calcium carbonate and magnesium carbonate. It is example of double salt. It is example of double salt. Now mixed salt. Mixed salt contain more than one basic or acidic radical. Like example, sodium with potassium and carbonate. Sodium potassium carbonate, it is example mixed salt. Another example, calcium oxygen and chloride. Oxygen and chlorine. Therefore, bleaching powder, it is example of mixed salt. Calcium oxychloride. Bleaching powder. It is used for bleaching of clothes. Cleansing agent. Another example we already discussed, sodium potassium carbonate. It is example mixed salt. Next, complex salt. Complex salt means thus dissociate into one simple ion and form an complex ion. Example, AgNH3 twice Cl. It is example of complex salt. It is insoluble in water. It is insoluble in water. Second example, K4FeCN6, potassium hexacyanoferrate. It is example of complex salt. It is insoluble in water. It dissociate only give simple ion. Suppose इसका डिसोसिएट होएगा तो it produce K plus ion 4 times and FeCN6 minus 2. Same kind of another example already discussed in sodium Ag cyanide 2 twice. Name sodium arginocyanide. When it dissociate, it produce Na plus ion and Ag cyanide twice and bracket produce ion. This is a formation of complex ion. And formation of complex ion, AgCN twice minus 1. It is formation of complex ion. And simple ion means Na plus. This is example of complex salt.